Hi children, let's learn today days of a week. What are we going to learn? Days of a week. We are going to learn to spell and read. Yes? Good. Let's take our first slide. Look carefully. Let's spell and learn to read. Here we are. Let's read this. There are 7 days in a week. Spell week, W-E-E-K, week. Read again. There are 7 days in a week. Now shall we look at them one by one? How many? 7. In 1 week there are 7 days. Good. Look at that first day. How many we said? 7. The first day is, read, Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Sunday is the first day of a week. Good. What about the second? What is the next one? The second day of a week is Monday. Spell Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday is the second day of the week. Good. What about the third day? Third day of the week is Tuesday. Spell T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Good. Next, the fourth day of the week is Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Good. That's the fourth day of the week. The fifth day of the week is Thursday. Spell Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. And the sixth day of the week is Friday. Spell Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. And finally, the seventh and the last day of the week is Saturday. Spell Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Read again. There are 7 days in a week. How many? 7. Now, you have got all the days beginning with capital letter because they are names of the days of the week. Okay? So, let's read. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay? Good. So, what did we learn today? There are 7 days in a week. And they are all names of days, so it begins with a capital letter. Good. Let's go on. Now, the 7 days here, let's read and find the answer. Fill in the blank by reading. Okay. Dash is the first day of the week. What is the question here? Which is the first day of the week? Sunday. So we write it here. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday is the first day of the week. Spell Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. And we write the first letter capital because it's the name of the day of the week. Good. Let's look at our next question. What is given to us? What is the question given to us? Dash is the second day of the week. Which is the second day of the week? First is Sunday. Second day of the week is Monday. Spell Monday. Monday is the second day of the week. So we write it here. Monday. Monday is the second day of the week, and the first letter M is in capital because the name of the day that is. Good. So 2 questions, 2 fill-ups. We did successfully. Let's go on to the next. And here we are. Dash is the third day of the week. Which is the third day of the week? First is Sunday. Second is Monday. Third day of the week is Tuesday. Tuesday. And we write it down here. Tuesday. Tuesday is the third day of the week. Good. Let's go on to the next question. Here we are. Dash is the fourth day of the week. Which is the fourth day of the week? First is Sunday. Second Monday. Third Tuesday. Fourth day of the week is Wednesday. 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 So we write it here. Wednesday. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week, and the first letter is in capital because it's the name of the day of the week. Good. Let's go on to the next question. Look. Dash is the fifth day of the week. Good. The first day is Sunday. Second is Tuesday. Third day is Tuesday. Fourth day is Wednesday. And the fifth day of the week is Thursday. How do you spell Thursday? Thursday. Thursday is the fifth day of the week. Good. Let's look at our next question. Here we are. Dash is the sixth day of the week. Which is the sixth day of the week? First is Sunday. Second is Tuesday. First is Sunday. Second is Monday. Third day is Tuesday. Fourth day is Wednesday. Fifth day is Thursday. And the sixth day of the week is Friday. So we write it here. Friday. Friday is the sixth day of the week. And we write the first letter F capital because that's the name of the day of the week. Let's go on to our next question. Dash is the seventh day of the week. First day is Sunday. Second day is Monday. Third is Tuesday. Fourth day is Wednesday. And the fifth is Thursday. Sixth is Friday. And seventh is the Saturday. So we write here Saturday. Saturday is the seventh day of the week. And Saturday we write S capital because that's the name of the day of the week. So now we know in order. First day, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh, all in order. How many days are there? There are 7 days in a week. Which is the seventh day? Saturday is the seventh day. Good. I'm sure you learned to read, fill up correctly. You enjoyed this exercise. Good. Let's go on. Look what we have here. Okay, we have some more to do. Let's read. Fifth day of the week is dash. They're asking for the fifth day. First day is Sunday. Second is Monday. Third is Tuesday. Fourth is Wednesday. And the fifth day of the week is Thursday. So we write it here. Thursday. Thursday, Thursday. Thursday is the fifth day of the week, and we make sure the T first letter is in capital because that's the name of the day of the week. Fifth day of the week is Thursday. Let's go on to our next question. Dash is the fourth day of the week. Which is the fourth day of the week? Look at the chart. First day is Sunday. Second day is Monday. Third day is Tuesday. And the fourth day is Wednesday. So we write it here, Wednesday. And we write the W in capital. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. And we write the W in capital letter because it's the name of the day of the week. Which is the fourth day of the week? Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Good. Let's go on to our next question and fill up correctly. Yes, you are filling in very good. Thursday comes before. Thursday comes before what? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday comes before Friday. Thursday comes before Friday, and we write the F, the first letter in capital, because that's the name of the day of the week. Read. Thursday comes before Friday. Very good. Let's go on to our next fill up. Sunday comes before dash. Sunday comes before Monday. Sunday comes before Monday. 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 We write M in capital because that's the name of the day of the week. Sunday comes before Monday. Okay, here let's read what fill up is given to us. Tuesday comes before Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday comes before Wednesday. So we write here Wednesday. Wednesday. Tuesday comes before Wednesday. Yes? Good. Now, let's read the question. Last day of the week is dash, which is the last day of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Seventh day. Saturday is the last day. Last day of the week is Saturday. So we write capital S, Saturday, Saturday. Good. Now, read. What is the question given to us? Monday lies between dash and dash. Monday lies between Sunday and Tuesday. So we write here Sunday and Tuesday. Monday is here, Sunday and Tuesday. Spell Sunday, Sunday. Sunday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Tuesday. Good.